Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show to you how to cook noodles with chicken and vegetables. In this recipe, I use some of Vitality essential oils. I use ginger oil, lemongrass oil, and lemon oil. So here are the ingredients we need. So first, boil some water and cook the rice noodles. Drain the rice noodles and set it aside. To make the marinade for the chicken, combine the olive oil, soy sauce, chopped garlic, the 3 vitality oils, the ginger oil, lemongrass oil, and lemon oil. Marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Then bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Now, add the oil onto the preheated pan, then cook the vegetables. Then once all the vegetables are cooked, mix it with the rice noodles. To make the seasoning for the rice noodles and vegetables, combine the lemon oil with the soy sauce, chopped garlic, salt, and pepper. Then mix it with the cooked vegetables and noodles. Now it's ready to be served. I use Vitality essential oils because essential oils are more powerful than dried herbs. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Bye for now.